The hippopotamus, often affectionately called a hippo, is a fascinating creature that graces the African savannas. First, let's talk about their size. Hippos are one of the heaviest land animals, weighing up to 1,600 kilograms. That's about the same weight as a small car. Despite their massive size, hippos are excellent swimmers. They can stay submerged in water for up to 5 minutes, using their powerful tail to propel themselves through the water. Hippos have a unique digestive system. They eat large amounts of grass, but unlike other herbivores, their digestive system is slow, taking up to 14 hours to break down the food. This slow digestion is why hippos spend most of their day resting. But why rest so much? Hippos are semi-aquatic animals, and they need to stay cool. Their bodies can't release excess heat effectively, so they spend time in the water to keep their body temperature regulated. Hippos are also known for their aggressive behavior. They are territorial and will defend their territory fiercely, even against other hippos. This aggressive nature has earned them the nickname river wolves. Despite their size and aggressive behavior, hippos play a crucial role in their ecosystem. They help control vegetation growth by grazing, and their dung is an important source of nutrients for many plant species. In some African cultures, the hippo holds symbolic significance. For example, in Zimbabwe, the hippo is considered a symbol of strength and wisdom. So, next time you think of hippos, remember these fascinating facts about these mighty mammals. From their unique digestive system to their aggressive behavior and cultural significance, hippos are truly a wonder of the animal kingdom.